Hey guys, Brian here. Got the lamb splitter done. Think it turned out pretty well. I like how that bottom has a nice little palm swell. I did get a little gap right there at the bottom, but I think we can still take care of that. But for the most part, it's finished. So I'm pretty happy with it. I've been working on this little Japanese axe. I basically just took one of my curvy handles and I thinned it down. It's got an interesting eye. It's very rectangular. So I'm gonna put a cross wedge in it. I'll bring you along.